Hello traders, welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on Bullstock Info that look promising for swing trade on Friday, August 28th. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit www.bullstock.info. All right, we're going to start with the bullish engulfing chart pattern, the bullish engulfing chart pattern. We have several of these to look at on this video today. The first is PCS. PCS. You'll notice, let's first talk about the stochastics while we're looking right here at them. Stochastics in the oversold area, they are curling up. They have crossed over previously and are curling up. And you'll notice, let's go back a little bit, you had the big bearish day down, followed by a little sideways trade, more down movement, more sideways trade, small dojis, small candlestick body signals, and then finally we get the engulfing pattern today. The engulfing pattern, good looking engulfing pattern there. Closed above the 8 exponential moving average, your dashed line. And we have the 20-day moving average, your gray line, and then the 50-day moving average, your blue line. And the 50 right now is at around just under the 1174 mark, which also coincides with a couple of bottoms there, a couple of layers of or levels of resistance, if you will. So bullish engulfing for PCS. Also have a bullish engulfing for FFIV. FFIV. We are trading under the 50-day moving average and under the 8 exponential moving average. So we want to see this stock open positively and get above that 8 exponential as quickly as possible. Your 50, the blue line, your 20, the gray line, pretty close together, tight areas for profit. So kind of watch what happens when they get there. And the final bullish engulfing is Alcoa. Alcoa, AA. We had the doji yesterday after 2 previous down days. We are under the 20-day moving average. This stock looks like it touched on the 8 exponential, closed just under the 8. So again, the engulfing after yesterday's doji. Stochastics are in the oversold area and starting to curl upward. We want to see again a higher open, positive movement, get above that 8 exponential, and we'd like to see it push through that 20-day moving average and have a nice run up, hopefully, for AA Alcoa. Okay, next up is the bullish kicker signal, the most powerful signal there is, the kicker signal. And today we had Oshkosh, OSK, with a 24% move up on the day, the kicker up, and continued move up over $6 for Oshkosh, OSK. Again, like we said, huge volume on the day for OSK. Again, kicker symbols are the most powerful symbols there are. High probability candlestick charts. One thing to consider on the kickers, though, is after such a big, huge move, you might have profit taking the next day. So just FYI, but again, very high probability candlestick pattern is your kicker symbol. The next kicker, again, extremely huge volume for RTI. RTI. That's also a Morningstar signal, if you will. And our final kicker is OLN. OLN. Again, a kicker off of a Morningstar type signal. And again, extremely huge volume. Alrighty, and our final 3 stock symbols to look at on this video will be the Morningstar symbol. The Morningstar, or chart pattern, I should say chart pattern instead of symbol, because the Morningstar, as you know, is a combination of 3 candlesticks. 3 candlesticks. You have 2 days ago the bearish move, yesterday the bearish gap down, And then the third day, today, which is a bullish gap up, bullish move, and that gap helps create the star at the bottom of the 3 candlestick pattern. Go down here and take a look. The bottom pane, that huge green bar, is volume. Probably 3 times average volume on the day today for RTI. Stochastics have crossed over and are curling up midway between oversold and overbought, so plenty of room to run for stochastics. On RTI, on the Morningstar symbol. Another Morningstar is GFI. GFI, stochastics in the same area, midway point, have crossed, are just getting ready to cross, and your Morningstar symbol closing above the 50-day moving average, your blue line, and the 8 exponential, your dash line, closing just under the 20-day moving average, your gray line. So I want to try to push through that 20-day moving average and move on up, so just keep an eye on that. And the final Morningstar is for MT. MT. Again, you'll notice the 3 candlestick chart pattern, and you'll notice yesterday's bearish candle was almost a hammer, not quite, but it formed right on the 8 exponential and the 20-day moving average. Today we gapped up over the 20, opened above the 8 exponential, so we're above the 20-day moving average. That's good. Stochastics have plenty of room to go. So your Morningstar symbol for MT. And that's going to do it for our video of bullish candlestick chart patterns, compliments of bullstock.info. For a complete list of bullish candlestick chart patterns, you can visit the website each and every trading day, www.bullstock.info. Also follow us at Twitter, twitter.com/bullstock. And visit the website if you have a particular candlestick symbol or signal you'd like explained further in a video. Shoot us an email, let us know, and we'll put something special together. All right, thanks for watching, and again, www.bullstock.info.